Hi there, thanks for watching this video about how to use Plus AI inside of Google Slides. The first step to using Plus AI is going to be installing our add-on. So to do that, you go to a new Google Slides menu, open up extensions, click on add-ons, get add-ons, and then search for Plus AI. From here, click install, and once it's installed, it'll show up when you go to extensions and it'll pop up over here. When you click Edit with Plus AI, it'll load up this sidebar, and if you want to make a new presentation, you can either click New Presentation over here on the right, or New Presentation with Plus AI from this menu. This will load up a new modal pop-up window where you can select a bunch of options for how to create your presentation. Over here, you'll see that you can either create presentations in image mode or slides mode. In image mode, you're going to get more creative, unique visuals. There's a bunch of different design inspiration and styles that you can choose from down here. In slide mode, you'll get what you think of as a traditional Google slide, fully editable. You can change the text, move objects around, and just use it like you would a normal slide that someone sent you. Okay, over here, I'm going to use a normal slide presentation. I'm going to go with one of our preset prompts to do a client proposal, create a client proposal for a marketing agency. And then in here, you can pick the template that you want to use. I'm going to use this Dan demo template for now, but you can go in here and browse our full library of templates if you want to change. You can also set up custom branding and set your own colors, fonts, logo, and it'll use your custom template there. Okay, so client proposal, create a client proposal for a marketing agency that specializes in SEO and SEM. From here, I can also upload files. So if I want to convert a document into slides, maybe a PDF or a Word doc, I can attach them. But for now, I'm just going to use this prompt and send it through over here. In about 10 to 20 seconds, what you'll get back is an outline of the presentation. And when you make the outline, not only is it going to give you a high-level outline of what it wants to say in the slide deck, it'll also show you specifically which slide does it want to use for each part of the deck. So you can see here, it's going to use the agenda slide. It's going to use this 4-section slide. It's going to use this other 4-section slide. It's going to use this 3-section slide. Going to use this slide with a list of items. Maybe for this one, I'd rather use a team slide. And from here, I can make any edits that I want. And once I'm ready with this outline, I'll hit Generate Presentation. And then it'll go and make the deck for me. This normally takes 30 seconds to a minute for Plus to finish up generating the deck. And then once it's done, I'll have all the slides just sitting in my Google Slide presentation. It's like a normal slide deck that I might have inside of Google Drive, and I'll be able to make any edits to it that I'd like. All right, so here's that slide deck. You can see that it is just normal slides. So anything I want to do in here, like that I would do to a normal Google slide deck, I can make edits, I can change things, I can delete stuff, I can tag people in comments like I normally would. This just works like a normal slide deck would. Once I'm done, I can then go and share it like I would with a normal presentation. The next thing I want to show you is how you can insert or reformat individual slides using Plus AI. So over here, what I'm going to do is insert a new slide, and I'm going to just draw some content on here. Like I might have some rough idea of what I want to show. So I'm going to call this slide Favorite M&Ms of the Plus AI team, and then label these bars. And then I'm just going to put some scribbles over here showing that I actually want there to be text in here. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can automatically format slides using Plus AI. Over here, I'm going to go to the Edit with AI menu, click on Remix, and then from here, I'm going to show you what it looks like to automatically format this into a different template. So I'm going to use the Insight Modern template over here on the right. You can see all the different slides that are inside of this template. I'm not going to click on anything. I'm just going to let the AI choose. And I'm going to hit Remix Current Slide. What this will do is it'll send all the content and information on this slide. Right now, it's basically just this rough drawing and sketch of what I want on my slide over to the AI. The AI will then go and look at my Rolodex of slides and figure out what's the best match for the content on this slide right now. And then it'll go and turn it into this output format, this green consulting style slide. Same as before, it's going to make it as a native Google slide. So we're going to want a chart on here. It's going to have a native chart where I can go and edit it inside of Google Sheets. And then it should also have some text content as well. All right, so here's that slide that it just made for me. This is a native chart, like I mentioned. I can open up the source document, make edits to it. It'll update. And then obviously everything over here, I can make changes as well. So if I want to delete some of this content, very easy. If I want to add more content, I just edit it like a normal slide. So that's the automatically formatting. If I want to, I can also insert slides. So let's say I want to do a slide about the best candies for gifting. I can choose to include context from my existing presentation. This means it'll read the stuff on my other slides. I can also search the web for information. This will go and do web searches to look up information. So here I'm going to say I want to search the web for information, and specifically I want to use my executive summary style layout. I really like this 3-column executive summary with a takeaway at the bottom. I'm going to hit generate. And then what this will do is it'll take whatever content I have given it here. It could be a title, it could be a description. I could have copy and pasted a long blog post or a call transcript over here on the right. And it's going to take whatever content I feed it and turn it into this specific output format. This is a great way to, once you have a template loaded in the system, to make sure that things always come out looking perfect and brand approved because we have your template within the system. Cool. So you can see this is the best candies for gifting article I just had it make. Again, this is a normal slide. Maybe I want to have some more spacing between the lines here. I can just add that myself. And then if I wanted to also bold some stuff like this, very easy to go and make edits. So that's the super quick walkthrough of how you can make a new presentation, how you can format slides, and then insert individual slides using the Plus AI add-on inside of Google Slides. The other quick things to show you, we also have an AI image generator inside of the tool. So you can come in here to the Add Images mode, select a specific image source. It might be an AI image model. It could also be a stock photo library. And here there's a bunch of other options. So you can choose whether you want photography or illustration styles. And then we have a bunch of preset styles to help you make images that look really nice from the get-go. There's also an icons menu. And in here you can search for specific types of icons. And then just insert them straight into your deck using your brand colors on top of your presentation theme. That's a really quick walkthrough of how to use Plus AI inside of Google Slides. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.